Alright, so I did Bluetooth, and here's what the built-in Bluefruit app looks like. We got a bunch of different options for what we can do. We can use this to send messages to and from Arduino. There's a plotter that can receive analog data and plot it. There's a pin in and out that you can change the signals being sent to your pins. There's a controller that can control a bunch of different sensors and actuators, I guess. And send that information to the Arduino. And then there's a control pad, a controller which I ended up working with, and even a color pixel picker that if you have one of those little lights that I think Amanda used, you can actually send colors to it. Let's see. That's pretty much the things that I looked into on the app side. I played around with a bunch of those, but I decided to go with the controller part and the control pad for my particular project. I decided to implement a few of these controls to interact with my Arduino to try to like explore the kind of, I don't know. The thought was I connected two different motors, one for left and right. So if we move left, my servo moves. Well, it should. Oh, it was disconnected. Okay. Let's reconnect. Okay. Connect. Alright, controller. Control pad. Alright, moving left, and then back forward. So it stays that direction as long as it's being held, and then it goes back to the standard position once it's done being held. I have this other motor that will move forwards, backwards. Well, actually backwards didn't work out as well because it's a continuous. Anyways, that's a whole other thing, but you press forward, and as long as you're holding forward, it moves. So thinking like wheels or something like that of like a robot or car or something. And that's as long as I'm holding it. And then to demonstrate other capabilities here, we got two lights